Hello my loves, today we're making chicken biryani as the title says. We're going to need biryani masala, chicken masala, pilau masala, Spanish paprika, salt, tomato paste, tomatoes, garlic and ginger, pawpaw, potatoes, onions. You start by deep frying the potatoes to crunchy. So after you're done with this, the next thing you do is deep fry your onions until they're golden. You have to have that golden color. It's going to make the rice look good and tasty. After I was done with my onions, the next thing I did was mix my chicken and everything else together. You have to know you should marinate your chicken in hand, let it stay in the fridge for like 1 hour. So I forgot to do that, so I'm mixing everything right now. I had to use maziwa lala, fermented milk, my potatoes, and the ingredients I told you about at the beginning of the video. So like you have to mix them all together, okay? I blended my pawpaw, so that's the pawpaw, and you also have to add it together like everything I showed you in the beginning of the video. We're adding them right now because we did not marinate the chicken. So yeah, but you should marinate the chicken and let it stay rest for an hour in the fridge. That is tomato paste. After you're done adding all the spices together, you mix everything together. I don't have glass, but my hands are clean, so I'll mix with my hands. After you're done mixing everything, now we cook probably. That oil, you add your onions, let your onions cook just like you're cooking any other normal meal. When your onions are ready to how you like them, some cook them like this and others just let the onions turn to golden brown. When your onions turn color to golden brown, makes your food colorful. So after that, I added my garlic and ginger, cooked them together with the onions. So when you're done cooking everything, just like you're cooking any normal meal, you go in with everything we mixed, the chicken, potatoes, everything that we marinated. You put them in and keep, like, they already look like they're cooked, so what you need to do is keep turning up and down. I don't know if that's how you say it. and put on the notification bell so you can know when I upload any video. Covered my food for like 20 minutes. Yeah, because I needed the water dry, like I needed the food dry with no soap. By the end of this video, you'll see the difference. Like after the 20 minutes, letting the food cook for 20 minutes, you can see the different color, and this is the final results for our rojo. There's a difference now and the difference when we started. Yeah, so now we're going with rice. I was cooking those 3 glasses of the one I'm holding, the green one, and yeah, I was just measuring water just to make sure the rice comes out good. I added salt and cooking oil. We're using the same cooking oil that we used to fry the potatoes and the onions. So after my rice was ready, I went in with the onions, and guys, I'm telling you, the aroma that was in my kitchen, oh my god, I wish you guys could just take a peek and feel it and smell it. So I went in with food color. I was using the orange food color in this, then covered the rice for like 10 minutes just to make sure the water is completely dry. So after 20 minutes, not 20, after 10 minutes, I opened, I had to mix now the rice gently. We need to have one, like, not, we don't need the whole rice orange. So we're mixing so we can have like one white, one orange. You know what I'm talking about. This is how you feel when cooking biryani, especially if you're not a Costarian and you learn how to cook something. The excitement, you guys. I was raised eating gidere, ugali and sukuma, and now I can make this for my kids. You see the way it's giving. Just see how the results are coming out. So delicious. Yeah. So guys, that was my final result, and it was so delicious. Bye.